Tommy Aquino, who's living in Sheffield.
My role entails hardware and software support for both office-based users and Salesforce users. So we'd have a certain number based in the office and then external users regionally selling the products who would need support when they're out in the field. Within the business, in UK predominantly, we started with the email software. That was the direction that the business was moving in from here when we moved from our old system, the ability to communicate with contact groups, clients, leads, letting them know about different offers and products that are available, and then the survey side kind of followed after. Basically, the main ways in which it's easier to use is the contact import function and the email campaign setup itself. The old system we used to use had two different systems that created the campaign. So instead of having one application controlling the campaign from start to finish, it was too reliant on the performance of one or the other. With the Sensorpro email function, 3 or 4 steps, and I can have a campaign sent out within 5–10 minutes.
The analytics tool that we use at the end of sending out our email campaign is fantastic. It's instant results. We can see that it's been delivered, how many unique opens we've had, repeat opens, and also click-throughs through to Facebook, Twitter, the website, and also if anybody's unsubscribed from our mailing list, which gives us the opportunity to feedback. So it's a really simple, clear to use tool.
Initially in the UK, we began to gather data for new users. So we'd create a sign-up form with the help of the support department. Whatever we send out will hit an email address. The different ways in which we use the platform, for example, can range from trade shows to exhibitions to apprentice schemes. The flexibility of the platform allows us to create multi-choice questions and free text, for example. So if we want to gather people's brand awareness or their opinions of WD40, we can do this in several different ways. We have certain trade shows, mainstream trade shows, across Europe that, for example, will attract, let's say, for example, if there's one in the Netherlands, you could have users from Germany, users from Belgium. So we have to be prepared for any kind of user, trade, private, who is going to come in, want to sign up or want to experience the questionnaires that we have, and having the welcome page with the different flags and choosing their own language helps everybody. In the survey you can see my German colleagues were talking to a younger age of user about their product awareness, brand awareness, and in what area they were using WD40, if any, in their apprenticeship, their place of work, and in some cases they're still pupils, so it's a very young age and a different area to gain awareness from. The support from Sensorpro, all the team, all the guys, has been excellent from the beginning. I'm not just saying that. From the beginning, there were server-related aspects I didn't understand. Over the course of the use and the support that I've had, I've adapted, learned, been trained well, and that's enabled me to train users and advise users in a way I know that will help them do their job better.
Tommy Aquino won it number 14 for the WD40 machine.
Top job from the American.